Do you want one circuit that can control 3 volts to 24 volts DC easily? Today, I will show you a powerful homemade voltage regulator circuit that can control bulbs, DC motors, and other DC loads using very simple components. So watch this video till the end because the circuit diagram is inside the video. Hello friends, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I have made a DC voltage regulator circuit using NE555 IC and a high-power MOSFET, which I recovered from a dead PC power supply. This circuit is very useful, easy to make, and works perfectly from 3 volts up to 24 volts DC. Now let's see the components used in this circuit. We are using one 1K ohms quarter watt resistor, one 22 ohms quarter watt resistor, one NE555 IC, one 102 paper capacitor, one 100K potentiometer, two 1N4148 diodes, one 7805 voltage regulator IC for 5 volt supply, one 20N60C3 MOSFET, which I got from a dead PC power supply. You can also use any other high-power MOSFET here. Circuit connections, step by step. Now let me explain the circuit connections step by step. First, connect NE555 IC pin 4 and pin 8 together. Then solder pin 2 and pin 6 together. Now take a 1K ohms resistor and connect it between pin 7 and pin 8 of the NE555 IC. Next, connect the 102 paper capacitor between pin 1 and pin 2 of the NE555 IC. Now we need to give power supply to the NE555 IC. The output pin 3 of the 785 IC is connected to pin 8 of the NE555 IC for positive supply. The ground pin of the 7805 IC, which is pin 2, is connected to pin 1 of the NE555 IC for ground. Now connect the MOSFET source pin to NE555 IC pin 1, which is the negative supply. Then take a 22 ohms resistor and connect it from NE555 IC pin 3 to the MOSFET gate pin. Now take two 1N4148 diodes. Connect the anode of one diode and the cathode of the second diode together and connect them to NE555 IC pin 7. The other ends of both diodes are connected to the 100K potentiometer. The middle pin, or Viper pin, of the potentiometer is connected to NE555 IC pin 6. Now our control section is complete. Finally, connect the positive supply to 7805 IC pin 1 and connect the negative supply to NE555 IC pin 1. We take the output negative from the MOSFET drain pin and the output positive directly from the battery positive, which is also connected to the 7805 IC input. For your convenience, the circuit diagram is inside the video. Now let's test this circuit. First, I connect a 12-volt 10-watt bulb and use a 12-volt battery. As you can see, by rotating the potentiometer, we can easily control the brightness of the bulb. Now let's test the output using a multimeter. can see the voltage smoothly changes from low to high. Next, I connect a 12-volt DC motor. And as you can see, the speed control works perfectly. After that, I use a 24-volt battery and connect a 24-volt 35-watt bulb. You can see that the circuit works correctly here also, without any problem. So this is a very useful DC voltage regulator circuit, which can control voltage from 3 volts to 24 volts DC. You can use it for DC motors, LED lights, bulbs, and other DC projects. If you like this video, please like it, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more simple electronics projects. Also follow me on Facebook and TikTok for short electronics tips and projects. If you have any questions, write them in the comment section. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.